Hello, boss. We are a customer kiosk manufacturer located in Shenzhen, China. Today is also a quite busy day. We are making 100 pieces RFID storage cabinet, and also we are making another 100 pieces payment terminal kiosk. Follow me. We can see the 21.5-inch touchscreen in front of the RFID storage cabinet. Okay. There is another version. The screen is smaller. And we can see there is the payment terminal kiosk. We are aging test here. We are making the 32-inch open frame touch screen, and also we're making the kiosk cabinet, and we are assembling the kiosk by ourselves. Are you looking for the reliable kiosk manufacturer? Contact us. Thank you.